Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was able to get the bracelets done, so I did do 5 to add to one of the orders for the Bango BOHO bracelets. So these are the 5 that I came up with. I really like the way these came out. And the thing is, I use a lot more wire on these, and I really like the way they look. So I just put an order in for some more wire, but the thinner wire. I used the thinner wire on all of these. These are really nice. I love the way these came out. This bracelet, I used the thicker wire. I like the way the thicker wire looks. And I will probably do some more with the thicker wire, but I really love the way these came out. And then when I went and looked at the page, the product on my fair marketplace, I didn't put on there that the bracelets are randomly chosen. And the ones that I have on there, I think I have like 5. The four or 5, whatever I have on there, those are the ones. Chances are that the customer is, knowing that she's going to get. But I'm going to contact her and then let her know, and then send her a picture. These will be also some of the ones that she will get. So I did go back in there and I put on this specific product in description, that the bracelets will be randomly selected. Of course, whatever they see in the picture, there's a possibility, but no 2 bracelets are the same. These are like absolutely amazing, right? I love these. And I would so wear all of these. So I'm gonna probably, I eased out earlier to go do a couple of errands, and then I was able to, get those done quickly. And then I came back home and I started working on these. So I've been doing these for a little bit. And I'm thinking what I'm getting ready to do is probably, I'm going to try to make about 20 more of these before the day ends. So I'll be stopping like in between, doing some other things like answering emails, some other stuff, whatever else I think about doing. I know I'll be doing some journaling, like writing in my journal, uh, some other things, because I did do a brain dump earlier while I was sitting at the place where I had to go. I had to sit there and kind of wait my turn for my appointment. So I did kind of sit there and wrote some things down, um, my little brain dump area. And then I'm going to take that information and put that information in my journal. So I love the way these came out, right? What you guys think? And they're nice and sturdy. And like I said in the other video, someone had a concern about if the bracelet would hold up, because I do use cardboard to make these. So I there's a video too, and I'll put that video up here somewhere. I don't know where, but maybe up in here somewhere up in there. But I'll put that in there. When they're wrapped in wire, the wire makes them sturdy. Like just really nice and sturdy. So there's no way that it can break down, because the wire is basically the casing, and it's nice. The wire is thick enough, to wear. And that was the purpose of wrapping it, with the wire. And I've done these before, but I've done them with, I think I said that in the other video, I've used the base of cardboard for leather bracelets, and leather earrings and things. And I have never had a problem, and I hope I never do have a problem, from my mouth to God's ears. Hopefully I'll never have a problem, with the cardboard. It's just cheaper. I'm not going to tell you guys where I get the cardboard from, but these are amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know. All the color. And then I was thinking if I was going to hang charms on them. I'm not going to put charms on these because I did enough decoration around the bracelet. So it's enough decoration, Even like with this one, I just kind of took this one all the way around. And then you got the little cassette player. And these big pieces, like charms like that, I did run it through the wire, and then I did glue it down with E6000. So these pieces like this, um, the bigger pieces, even like the coconut chips. So the coconut chips I glued down, and then I ran the wire through the hole, beaded it, and also like this one with the little hand with the third eye, I glued that one down, and wired it through. Um, Everything on here, I did that. But I like these. And this is the only one with that thicker wire, but I do like, because I was able to make designs with the wire on the bracelet. And it's nice and sturdy, like really nice. And I really like these. So these 5 will go in her order. That will go out. And when I went on there, because the lady, this order is in France, it's only giving me an option to ship by Federal Express. So what I have to do in the morning, I never ship Federal Express. I always use USPS, because all the orders have always been in the state, like in the US, like uh, Chicago, Colorado, where else? North Carolina, just like all over the place. I've never had, I don't think I have France, maybe on Etsy order, but for the most part, it's always been in the United States. So, and I've never shipped Federal Express. So what I'm gonna do is in the morning, I'm going to take the product already packaged up, and I'm gonna go to Federal Express and then have them to kind of guide me on the best packaging for the least expensive amount, and then weigh it out. I already got it weighed out, but according to them at FedEx, and then that way I'll come back home, and then I will, print my label out, put the label on, do all that, because Fair pays for shipping. I don't pay for any of the shipping. Fair pays for shipping. And if anybody is interested in wholesaling, there's a link in the description right there. You do have to have a website. It's really simple though. There's also a video that I have on here how you can create a one-page website. So with a one-page website, I'll put that video too. The video of the one-page website and the link for fair.com. If you wanted to sign up, to sell on Fair, that link is in the description. And yeah, these are it. I like the way they came out though. So guess what, family? We'll talk soon.